So today I am going to show you the famous railway station of Kashmir. Let me show you that railway station of Anantnag.